All right. 1978 CL9000. 8V71 Detroit. 10 degrees out. Of course, there's going to be an ether assist because with the Detroit, it's cold like this. It's not happening without it. Yeah, put a little more in there. Can you see that hole up in there to put it in?
I don't have my light. I'm going to stop this video.
Go ahead, because I got one.
Spray that far.
Yeah, you know what to do, right? Try to hold it steady here, but it's cold.